Hello everyone, and welcome to me fixing my car. My subframe broke, the nut broke off. I had to torch it for about 3 or 4 minutes. I tried drilling it, I tried all that stuff, and finally the torching it worked, and I pulled it out with these here. And it was enough to hold on to that. I got it with the needle nose and wiggled it around. And now I'm jacking the frame back up to the car to put the screw in. And I did that. I got to stop dropping that. I did that, and as you see, there's the jack. I jacked it up. This was the part that broke off completely. This is the old part. I just put it back on there because, hey, sisters broke. This part went on that part. This part went with that part, and this part went with this new part. I lost this whole piece off the car and it was hanging down. So now I'm putting it back together. I just put the bolt on. Here, let me show you guys exactly what I did. This piece of crap was keeping me from putting this part on. So, you know, this little piece of metal right here, that was keeping me from putting this part on. So I just pulled it on out because it was preventing that. So that is what broke. This is a subframe on the 1995 Bonneville. That's a Pontiac Bonneville to be exact. And in order for you to get it back together, you have to jack the frame up. There's a jack right there. It's real simple. The jack that came with the car. Well, it wasn't really simple. It was terribly hard, but for any girls that might need this general information, it can be done. Oh, guys, too. So now I'm going to put this back together. I'm going to stick this back in here. That goes in there like that. And then I'm going to put the screw through here and tighten that. And now I need a wrench. This is what I tried to take it off with, and it broke off. The whole bolt broke off, and I tried drill bits. That wasn't working, so I played with that torch over there until I loosened it up. But be careful with that. That's very dangerous, especially when it's painted under the car. So be careful how close you have it to the bottom of your car. And let's see what else I was doing. Gotta find the right socket in here. I don't have any air wrenches, so I do everything by hand. I think this was a socket I was gonna try to use. I think this is too big. We can try. Yeah, that's way too big. This one might work. Nope, that one's too small. I'll get it. I got one in here. Maybe this will work. Nope. Here they go under here. Maybe this one's done. That's the one. Here we go. But I don't have the big extension. Well, I'm sure the big extension is in here somewhere. But by the time I find it, this film will probably be over. So, let's see what's in here. I know I have a lot of crap. And I'm not even at home. Okay, let's see if this will work. I think this is expensive. Nope. Okay, we'll just do it with this. That's fine. I don't know if you can see that, but